My name is Chanakya Patel. I am a Director Technical in Topsun Energy Ltd. Topsun Energy Ltd has been established in 2007 and its core activity is solar module manufacturing. Let it be polycrystalline, monocrystalline, flexible, glass to glass, and Topsun has been exporting to around 11 countries and it is also working in the government bids, as well as we have the big OEM tree where we are supplying the solar modules in India. DataNote, our experience is good. Actually, we started only with DataNote in 2008. Earlier it was called Shuffle. The package name was Shuffle. Then they changed it over to DataNote when they improved their version and made it a web-based version of DataNote. So we completely done the transition from Shuffle to the DataNote with the help of the organization Shuffle. We have been using the DataNote starting from the codification of the item. Mainly it is for the complete operation activity, and which starts from the codification in the production when it is raw material is concerned. The purchase flow is also into that, the production is also into that, the QC reporting also done into that, handover to the stores, final logistic outward is also done on the DataNote. And also from the marketing OA, that is called the purchase order, is updated and the flow starts till the logistic. Everything is on the DataNote. Only we are not using the service part of it. That is a different package. Yes, we feel that there are certain advantages on the DataNote because now this DataNote is on the web base. And even our executive which are outside doing job outside, like we have executives at Bangalore office, we have the Hyderabad office, and we have the Jaipur. So they can also use this DataNote by not being within the campus, and they can directly use as this being a web oriented package, and they can raise their OAs or POs directly from that for whatever customer inquiries and the orders. I can say confidently that is the only reason, because we have been traveling with DataNote since 2008 and still we have the DataNote in our Topsun Energy Ltd. And it's but natural that there is no issue with the service support and the package. That's why we have been continuing with the DataNote.